Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I will show you how to make a decrease crochet. So for this you need to insert your crochet hook into the next stitch, but in order to make the invisible decrease, which would look much nicer in your stuffed animals, you need to insert your crochet hook into the first strip. As you can see, this is a single crochet together, and in the invisible decrease you only inserting your crochet hook into the first rein, which is looking towards you, and then you go below to the next stitch, and also you're taking only the front strain. And as you can see, now in your crochet hook there is 3 loops. Now you yarn over, you pull all of them together. So you took the 2 stitches and you only have 1, as you can see. And this is how you make an invisible decrease. In order to show again, I will make it one more time. So with your crochet hook, you go to the next stitch. In this example, it is here. You insert your crochet hook to the first rein, which looks towards you. Go below, and to the next one you insert, you take only the first one which looks at you. You yarn over. As you can see, there are 3 loops. You yarn over and bring all 3 together, and this is how you make a decrease. Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out in the comment section down below. Hope to see you all in the next video.